Your stock picks for today, JP, what are you choosing?
Mine is quite complicated, Zanati. So I'm picking a stock listed in the US. It's a semiconductor equipment manufacturer, Lam Research. LRCX is the share code, and they make all kinds of very complicated machines that are involved in the process of making computer chips. So everything to increase the yield of the wafers. And the wafers is that piece of silicon, looks like a pizza. Then they go to a microscopic level and they create these microchips. And Lam Research has got a bunch of different machines involved at different points of these very, very complicated processes. We saw a decrease in the tensions between China and the US in terms of tariffs. That's good for semiconductor manufacturing and the equipment makers. And there are further movements where the US might loosen some of the export restrictions. And I think all of this is very good for semiconductor equipment manufacturers like Lam Research. And I do believe that with the shares having been under pressure the last few months, the longer term trend is we're going to have more electronics that's going to need more microchips. They're going to become smaller and more powerful. That needs more intricate machines to create them. And that's good news for Lam Research.
All right. Grant, where are you seeing opportunity today?
So my opportunity is Uber. I have called it before on the show. It was in the
around
$70 or $65. Yeah, exactly. I'm calling an Uber. I want an Uber to take me to my portfolio. No, so I still think there's a great opportunity there. And it's one of the cheapest large platform tech companies out there. And I think the opportunity has come because people are concerned about Waymo, which is the ride sharing, the robo-taxi thing of Google and their partners. But I think, having looked at it, I think it's more likely they do a partnership than they become a competitive threat. And even there's a likelihood of a Tesla partnership. It's still early days, but that uncertainty is, I think, what's created the opportunity. And if those fears play out less badly than some people have expected, I think there's a massive opportunity for growth. It really is a large and growing platform, strong cash flows, margins are opening up, and the potential for further growth is significant. So I like it. I continue to like it. And that's my call, Uber.
All right. Well, let me call an Uber and get out of here. Thank you so much for your time and for your analysis today, James. Really appreciate it. That is all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guests, Jean Pierre Verster from Protea Capital Management and Grant Nader from Benguela Global Fund Managers. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.